Rushing between meetings, deadlines, and personal commitments, who has time to think about meal planning? But what if I told you that with a little strategy, you could eat healthier, save time, and reduce your environmental impact? This is your quick guide to eco-conscious meal planning. Eco-conscious meal planning isn't just about saving the planet. It helps you save money, eat better, and cut down on food waste. When you plan your meals sustainably, you're choosing ingredients that are fresh, local, and in season, which means fewer emissions from transportation and less reliance on processed foods. Step 1. Shop smart. Before heading to the store, make a list based on what you already have. Buy in bulk to reduce packaging waste, choose seasonal produce, and opt for plant-based proteins more often. These have a lower carbon footprint than meat. And don't forget to bring your reusable bags. Busy schedule? Meal prep is your best friend. Dedicate an hour on Sundays to batch cook grains, chop veggies, and portion out meals. Store them in reusable glass containers to keep them fresh all week. Try one-pan meals, overnight oats, and stir-fry kits. Quick, easy, and sustainable. Every year, millions of tons of food go to waste. Use every part of your ingredients. Turn vegetable scraps into broth, freeze leftovers, and get creative with fridge clean-out meals. A little mindfulness goes a long way in reducing waste. Small changes add up. Swap plastic containers for glass, switch to reusable wraps, and choose organic or locally sourced ingredients when possible. Being mindful of your meals isn't just good for the planet, it's good for you too. Ready to plan meals that are good for you and the planet? Start today. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy sustainability tips.